Hi, remember me?
And me? Are you forgetting about me?
Alright. Hi, remember us? It's been a bit of a while.
Just a little while.
Some of you may know, some of you may not. Mrs Deadlocks is actually Mrs Deadlocks now.
Officially, I have a piece of paper and everything. And a ring.
So there you go. She has a piece of paper now.
Woohoo! Not that I've waited like nearly 10 years for that piece of paper.
Anyway, it did result in a very amusing piece of music being played from the wedding organiser's phone at a very amusing moment during the ceremony. The piece of music would be this one. And then it led to the most violent cake cutting I have ever seen.
You mean violent in your case? I was just laughing.
So as you can imagine, the wedding was like a proper Deadlocks wedding. It was hilarious. So while we were getting married, I started to wonder, can I pick handcuffs with a wedding cake? Now it sounds like a really stupid idea at first, but if you look carefully at the wedding cake, there was little flowers on it that were held up by little bits of wire. They are very bendy, so this may or may not work. Get that lock and pull, and there we go. So yep, ASP Model 100s can be picked with wedding cake. Who knew?
Well, everyone now.
Yes, everyone knows now. But Coxie's Picks did put up a message on Facebook to celebrate our wedding, and thank you to Coxie, and thank you to everybody who commented their well wishes on that post.
Very much appreciated.
We do. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.